For this month's visit, we'll be staying at the Plaza Lodge for 3 days and 2 nights. This is the lobby, and let's now go up to our room. We got the deluxe pine view that comes with buffet breakfast and a veranda. The room also has a ceiling fan, an aircon, and a humidifier kaya sobrang lamig. This is the view from our hotel room. Very nice and relaxing. Mag-breakfast lang kami and then pupunta na kami sa laundry shop dahil 2 weeks daw siyang hindi nakapagpa-laundry. So, tara baba tayo and check kung ano ang food. This is the dining area. And syempre meron siyang salad and fruits. And then meron din siyang desserts. Masarap yung kanilang donut. And then may mga breads din dyan. This is fried bangus, chicken adobo, hotdog ham. Ang soup nila ay crab and corn and may cereal din dyan and egg station. Meron ding turon, fresh spring roll, and maki. And of course, hindi pwedeng walang coffee for breakfast. At pagkatapos nga namin mabusog dyan, ay pumunta na kami sa laundry shop and since tulog pa nga si baby brother ay nag-taxi na lang kami. Less than 10 minutes lang naman yung travel namin dyan, going to the laundry shop. And here we are. Dito kami maglalaba sa Everything's First Laundry and Coffee. And nag-start na nga ang washing. 2 loads yan since meron siyang comforter and towel. So, while waiting ay nag-order muna siya dyan ng coffee at nagbasa-basa. And then ako naman ay nag-start na mag-fold nung first batch ng kanyang laundry. Hindi ko feel tong DIY. Bukod sa matagal ka na mag-iintay, ikaw pa din ang maglilipat ng mga damit to another machine for drying and then ikaw pa rin ang magpo-fold. Mas okay pa rin sa akin ang drop and go and pick up later. Pero kung matyaga naman kayong mag-intay at masipag kayong mag-fold, Everything's First Laundry and Coffee is located along Session Road. So, pwede nyo silang i-visit dyan. I'm finally done with Ate's 2 weeks laundry. We're now going back to the hotel para naman mag-prepare. We'll be going to SM Baguio para magpaayos ng kanyang glasses at mag-lunch na rin. So, see you there!